kind of came back up here to Pran Buri Dam and Reservoir again today just to take a walk up some of these roads and check things out. Yesterday I flew the drone here. It's a little windy today to fly the drone. So let's check it out. I parked the car. Jamie's up ahead on this road. We've got a little mama dog here following us. Let's go take a walk up here and see what we got. Beautiful day up here. Yeah, we got up this morning. I wanted to bring Jamie up here because it was so beautiful to see. Look at this, just gorgeous. And caught up to Jamie. She's up there walking ahead. It's so nice up here. Little breeze going, mountain hiding the sun. Well, we've walked probably a good mile down this dirt road. It goes on forever, so I don't exactly have the best walking shoes on here. But this reservoir lake, Pran Buri, it just goes on as far as I can see. I cannot even see the edge of it here. The GoPro doesn't show it, but it is massive. And not a single boat on the entire reservoir, so I guess it's actually just a water project. I'll have to look into it, and I'll put a link in the description of what this place is. So let's turn around and walk another mile back to the car. Walk down here. We're gonna get in the car now and go explore another road we've never been down before and see what this adventure takes us. So come along. coffee place up here. Let's find it, pull in, and get a coffee. This looks like it, with that big old elephant out front. Here we came across this place called 8 Coffee Garden. 8. I'll put a link to it in the description below. Go pet the elephant first. Swadika. Oh, that's beautiful. Looks like they're starting to build a mammoth over here. Got a stage for music. Guess they hold music here. Hey, kitty cat. Meow. It's a beautiful place. Well, I got my iced Americano, my normal. That's very good. What'd Jamie get?
Cappuccino.
Cappuccino. Mm-hmm. How's that?
Delicious.
Well, that's a really cool place. And their coffees are good size. They're large. And it's really good. My Americano is excellent. Jamie's cappuccino was really good. Well, that's going to wrap up our road trip for the day. We're almost home. So thank you for watching. Hit the little button with our picture right there to subscribe. Hit like, share. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. We have a lot more to come.